There is something I added to my watering can last week, and I still cannot believe what happened. Within days, the leaves on my plants turned a deeper green. New buds popped up on branches I thought were done for. Even my tomato plant, which was barely holding on, suddenly started growing like it had a second life. And the best part, it was not some fancy store product or an expensive trick, just something I already had at home. It took only one spoon and my whole garden started to wake up. You might think it sounds too simple, but that is exactly why it works. If your plants are looking tired, not growing fast, or just feel stuck, this might be all they need. Stay with me because I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how you can do it too. If you're like me, you know how frustrating gardening can be sometimes. You water your plants every day, give them sunlight, and still see yellow leaves or no new flowers. It feels like you are doing everything right, but the plants just do not grow the way you want. I have been there too, feeling disappointed and wondering if something is missing. Then I found a simple trick that changed everything for my garden. It helped my plants grow faster, stay green, and bloom like never before. I want to share this easy tip with you so your plants can be healthy and full of life, even if you have never tried this before. Gardening does not have to be hard, and this spoon-sized secret can help. In this video, you will learn a simple way to help your plants grow faster and stronger. I will show you how just one spoon of a common ingredient mixed with water can make your leaves greener and fuller. This is an easy process anyone can do, even if you have never gardened before. You will see results quickly with healthier plants that look great and produce more flowers or fruits. Stay tuned because I will also share step-by-step instructions and some helpful tips to make sure your garden thrives all season long. A few days after I started using this simple spoon trick, my tomato plant surprised me. By day 4, fresh green leaves had appeared and tiny new flowers were starting to bloom. I could hardly believe how fast it was growing compared to before. My neighbor even stopped by to ask what I was doing differently. This easy method works for many types of plants, not just tomatoes. If you have struggled with slow growth or yellow leaves, this is the change you have been waiting for. Keep watching because I will share how you can do it yourself and get results just like this. Many gardeners face slow or weak plant growth without knowing why. One common cause is a lack of magnesium in the soil. Magnesium is a key nutrient that plants need to make chlorophyll, which helps leaves stay green and healthy. Without enough magnesium, leaves turn yellow and plants stop growing well. This is a problem that many beginners do not notice at first. They might think they are watering or feeding their plants correctly, but the missing magnesium holds everything back. Most people focus only on nitrogen or general fertilizers and miss this important element. Once you understand this, you can fix the problem quickly and watch your plants come back to life. The secret to fixing magnesium deficiency is Epsom salt. This simple natural product is easy to find and very affordable. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfate, two things plants really need to grow strong and green. Many gardeners do not know about it, but it works like a charm when used the right way. This is not a sponsored tip or an advertisement. It is just a personal favorite trick that has helped many home gardeners, including me. Using Epsom salt and water gives your plants a natural boost without any harsh chemicals. It helps leaves stay bright green and encourages faster growth. If you have been struggling with yellow leaves or slow growth, Epsom salt could be the easy fix you have been looking for. Magnesium and sulfur in Epsom salt play a big role in plant health. Magnesium helps plants make chlorophyll, which gives leaves their green color and helps plants turn sunlight into energy. Without enough magnesium, leaves start to turn yellow and growth slows down. Sulfur supports the plant's ability to produce proteins and grow strong stems. When you give plants Epsom salt and water, they quickly absorb these nutrients. Soon you will notice a healthy green glow spreading across the leaves, almost like they woke up refreshed. Many gardeners say their plants perked up overnight after using this mix. It acts like a natural vitamin for your plants, helping them grow faster and stay healthy. This simple boost can make a huge difference, especially if your soil is missing these important nutrients. To make this growth boosting mix, start by dissolving 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into 1 gallon of water. This amount works perfectly to give your plants just the right boost without any risk of overfeeding. You can use this solution in 2 ways. First, you can water your plants directly at the base, making sure the roots get the nutrients they need. Second, you can fill a spray bottle and mist the leaves gently. Both methods work well, but spraying helps leaves absorb magnesium faster. This trick works best for tomatoes, peppers, roses, and many flowering plants that need extra magnesium to bloom and grow strong. Try to apply the solution early in the morning or late in the evening when the sun is not too hot. This way, your plants soak up the nutrients without stress. Keep a few things in mind. Do not use this mix too often. Once a week is enough. Avoid using Epsom salt on seedlings or very young plants, as they are more sensitive. Do not mix this solution with synthetic fertilizers right away because it can cause nutrient imbalance. Always test on a few plants first if you are trying it for the first time. Following these simple steps will help your plants grow faster, greener, and healthier with no fuss. A few weeks after I started using this Epsom salt trick, my neighbor stopped by and asked me what I'd done to my garden. She was amazed at how much greener and fuller my plants looked. I told her it was a simple, natural tip anyone can do at home. Seeing her surprise made me realize how powerful small changes can be. It is really rewarding to watch your plants go from tired and yellow to healthy and bright. If you are feeling frustrated or stuck with your garden, this trick can bring back that joy and hope. You will love how fast your plants respond and how proud you will feel sharing it with your friends. While Epsom salt is great for your plants, it is important not to use too much. Overusing can actually harm your soil and slow growth. Also, avoid mixing this solution with synthetic fertilizers because that can create problems for your plants. One more thing, do not use Epsom salt on very young seedlings since their roots are still fragile and might get damaged. For the best results, always apply the solution in the early morning or late evening when the sun is not too strong. This helps your plants absorb the nutrients better. Remember, simple and careful use is the key to making your garden flourish. Thank you for watching. Give this simple Epsom salt trick a try. Just once, you might be surprised by how much your plants can grow in just a week. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy gardening tips you can trust. We love sharing these little secrets that make gardening fun and rewarding, especially for beginners like you. Stay tuned for more simple and natural ways to help your garden thrive. Remember, growing great plants is easier than you think, and you are never alone in this. Happy gardening from your friendly neighbor.